The U.S. conducted major airstrikes on 85 targets across 7 locations in Iraq and Syria with numerous aircraft including long-range bombers flown from the United States. The retaliatory strikes lasted 30 minutes, which came in response to a drone strike by Iran-backed militants on a U.S. military outpost. According to British Defence Intelligence report, the number of tanks Russia is producing every month is almost equal to the number of tanks being destroyed in Ukraine. Russia can make at least 100 tanks per month and therefore retain its capacity to replace battlefield losses. Russia is poised to showcase its cutting-edge Su-75 Checkmate, Il-76 and MiG-35 aircraft at the World Defense Show 2024 in Saudi Arabia to attract potential buyers for these advanced aircraft. The Indian Air Force will flex its muscles at an upcoming exercise in Rajasthan that will involve more than 120 aircraft, 77 fighter jets including Rafale fighter jets, Mirage 2000s, Sukhoi 30 MKIs, LCA Tejas and Jaguars, with drills aimed at showcasing the Air Force's offensive and defensive capabilities day and night.